Hello students, today we are going to learn our lesson number 3 practical with the use of empty paint program. So in previous lecture I already explained you how we can edit our image. So with the use of editing option we can change our image, like if we want crop our image some extra portion, so with the use of crop portion we can crop our image. We can change the size of image, we can change our pixel of the image, we can change the shapes of image. So this is some parts of image editing. Now we move our practical portion. So how we open our empty paint? So first of all, you click on your start button. Then after you click on your empty paint options. Okay, your empty, this is, look it here, this is your empty paint screen, empty paint program screen. So how we can add editing our image with the use of empty paint. So before starting your practical I explain you the some menu bar. So look it here, this is your menu bar. There are some menu display: file menu, edit menu, view menu, image menu, selection menu, palette menu, effect menu, channel menus and layers menu. So they all are the menu bar, and at the bottom this is your taskbar. Okay, this is your taskbar. Now one by one I explain your menu bar. This is a file menu. In this file menu they are the option. First, new options. The shortcut key of new, Control plus N. So with the use of new option we can open our new document, means we can open here new empty paint file page. Okay. Next, open. So open, it means Control plus O. The shortcut key of open is Control plus O. So with the use of open option we can open our previously created page. Now save. The shortcut key of save file, Control plus S. So with the use of Control S we can save our file. Save as. So save as is an option to save our existing save file. Okay. This is a option to export a picture, and this is a option to export a animated GIF, means in any image like animated animation. Just example, your Diwali photograph. So the cracker is fire. So this is your animated image. So if we add our export, we add our GIF image, animated GIF image. So with the use of export animated GIF option, we can easily export here. This is a quit option, Control plus Q. It means with the use of quit option, you move you out of your empty paint, means your pages exist. This is a edit option, cut, copy. It means if you want to some image cut, then the shortcut key is Control plus X. You can easily cut. This is a copy option. If you copy some image portion, so with the use of copy option you can copy. Paste text, means if you want to paste your text and copy your text, so with the use of Shift plus T you can paste your text into empty paint. Load a clipboard, save a clipboard. It means you can load your picture. So this is a shortcut key, Shift F1, F2. They all are with the use of function key you can load your clipboard. choose a pattern. F2 is a use for choose a pattern. Okay, look like this. Choose a brush. For F3 you can press your F3. This is a choosing your brush option. Now view. So in view menu there are this tool are display here. Show main toolbar. So here you can click your show main toolbar. So your toolbar is display main toolbar. This is your main toolbar. Show toolbar. It means here your toolbar is not displayed, but I click on show toolbar option, so I easily see my toolbar. So setting toolbar means if you can change any setting in your toolbar, so this is your option and you can easily press your F7. So dock. So this is your dock. It means here the information of size, flow, opacity, layer name you can easily do from here. So palette means if here the colors are displayed and the palette, so with the use of so palette you show your palette. Wait. Okay, you can easily understood. Now snap to the grid. So this is a grid option. Tracing image. If you trace any image, so this is the option of tracing image. Now it's no need to view. Now image. If you want to convert your image from RGB, red, green and blue, so you can easily convert your image from here. This is a scale canvas. So this is the options to open your canvas here. Okay. Here I want big canvas. So here from here I easily change my canvas. This is your canvas. Okay. And you already know what is the canvas. Canvas is means your drawing area. Canvas is your drawing area. Resize canvas means page down and up. So this is your resize canvas. It means with the use of resize canvas you can change your size of the canvas. Change the size of your canvas. Flip vertically, flip horizontally. These two options are used for rotate your image vertical and rotate your image horizontal. This is the option rotate clockwise and rotate anti-clockwise. It means with the use of rotate clockwise you change your image into clockwise and you change your image into anti-clockwise. Okay. This is the effect. From effect we can change our effect of pictures. So transfer color, invert, grayscale, they all are the shortcut key. Transfer color, shift plus control plus C. So this is a shortcut key of transfer color. Invert, shift plus control plus I. This is a shortcut key of invert. Grayscale, it means we change our image into grayscale. So this is a shortcut key, control plus G. Okay, you can easily see here. Now change channel. So from channel you can easily load your image from any drive. Edit image. So edit image is the option to edit your image. So no need to move. New layer, it means you can add your new layer. So from here you can add your layer. Okay, no need to explain this topic. Okay, in your syllabus, just only how we can crop our image. Here I import one image. Okay, you can easily see here, this is my image. I change the pixel. Okay, from here you can easily change pixel. You can easily change your percentage of your image. It means 100%. It means your image is very zoom. So now your topic is how we can crop our image. How we can crop our image. So here we can go over image option. Then after the one option is crop. So crop, it means you can remove your unwanted portion from the images. You remove your unwanted portion from the images. In this image, I just want to remove these people from this image and I just want only Lord Shankar. Okay, so here what I am doing now, here I just click on image option. Then after I click on crop option. Why? Because from here I crop my image. Wait, students. Okay, from here I import my pictures, means I open one pictures. Then here I change the percentage. It means I want small image. Then I remove this portion from my image. So what I am doing here? Just click on image, crop option. So here this is my error. You have not allotted enough memory in the preference window for this operation. Means I have some low memory of my PC. So here we can crop this image with the use of cut option. Okay. So now let us discuss the other topic, And students, I hope you can easily see this empty paint in your how we open a empty paint with the use of desktop means laptop. Now I explain you all the point with your phone, because now you all have a phones. So how we can crop image, how we can change the images file. So this all types, this all practicals I explain with your phones, mobile phone, mobile devices. Okay, because you don't have a laptop at your home, so that's the reason I found one application in our phone. So this application name is Snapdeal. Wait for a few minutes, students. This application name is Snapseed. Okay, and I explain you